This video will demonstrate how to connect TradingView to MetaTrader 4 or even MetaTrader 5. The process for TradingView starts with logging in. After logging in, enter your username and password, and then click Sign In. After clicking Sign In, go to the Link Key tab. The link key functions as a bridge between TradingView and the expert advisor, facilitating order execution in MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. The link key can be generated according to each user's package, which varies for each user. Scroll down to download the EA before clicking to download the EA. After downloading the EA, pause this step and go to the TradingView page. It is recommended to create a new layer in TradingView. So create a new layer. Name it as desired by the user. In this case, let's call it Strategy. Click Save. After creating a new layer, a new tab will appear. I'll close the old tab first. In this tab, a volume indicator will be included, which we won't use. You can input your strategy here, whether it's a strategy you've created yourself or a strategy that we've sourced from somewhere like TradingView, which they provide. We can use it. For example, a strategy, select one strategy. In this case, it might be a stochastic one. Let's go with the actual one they provide, like the technical RSI stochastic or MACD. Okay, after we've input it, what happens differently from an indicator is that there will be comments showing when to buy or sell what, and it will provide a view of the risk of the trade, showing how much profit or loss there is, or an overview. This is the difference from an indicator. Indicators won't have this matrix, but if it's a strategy, it will have this matrix. Assuming we have set all the parameters and we want to connect this strategy to send orders to TradingView and then to MetaTrader 4, we can see how all the comments we have made are used in trading. For a rough overview, we will see that for buy, it uses the term MACD-LE, and for closing a buy, it uses the term MACD-SE, which means sell. And then it alternates between buy and sell continuously. Also, here, or we can check in the list of trades, it will indicate open. For the entry short, it uses the term MACD-SE, and for the entry long, it uses the term MACD-LE. And when it comes to exit, it will use the opposite terms. Okay, in this case, you will see that only two terms are used. Entering long will exit short, and entering short will exit long, alternating back and forth. This is the first type of statistics. Let's take a look at the strategy. Popular indicators such as those from Ras Algo. I will try to open the tab for Ras Algo. In Ras Algo itself, the comments are different from before. So you'll see that there are terms like long, short, long SL, and regular long. Let's take a look in the dis of trade. In the dis of trade, you will clearly see the steps, such as using the term long out, using the term short. And then there's exit, using the term long SL. Let's keep scrolling down to understand better. All the terms they comment on, you can see what words they use by checking the graph or looking here. You'll notice that when entering a long, they use the term long, and when entering a short, they use the term short. Closing a long can happen in two scenarios from this strategy, which are changing from a long to a short or the long being stopped out, but there is no short stop loss occurring. Okay, after we've learned about our strategy, I'll try to give an example of connecting this page or page connection. Our demo test. I'll try to connect from the demo test page first so we can see an understanding that isn't overly complicated. We go and select the same one. MACD, okay, this one has only two wordings. All right, let's try connecting this one first. The comments aren't too difficult and there aren't many. To connect, let's go back to the PI account, select to create a new link key to connect. Okay, here we might write something like demo, strategy, or anything. Teji, MT4. Okay, once we have it here. Create salt or release the win first. Then click on the JSON for the web group. Choose the tab for TradingView Strategy Trading. There are only two options. In the case where there is a comment, the word comment means that we see a comment written here, which is called a comment. We use this tab. But if nothing appears, only arrows up and down. Use the word action. Okay, in this case, there is a comment. Generally, a strategy usually needs to have a comment so that the user knows whether the EA or perhaps the strategy is a buy or sell. Press copy trade. After the copy trade occurs, go to the settings here. The three dots, go to strategy. We press the three dots and then press add alert. After pressing add alert, don't mess with anything at the top. It's just to indicate which currency pair is being used for what. Here, I would like to change it to my own collection because it will allow trading on the training as MetaTrader 4. Okay, it's this one. Okay, it's this one. Then there's only MacLimax SE and we press add, confirm the symbol as EURUSD. What time frame should this strategy be used on? I might suggest changing the time frame a bit. Just use the time frame. 1 hour time frame is enough. Okay, the order is as follows. There's an overview to see. Okay, follow it fully for 1 hour. New rule, start at point 3, add MACD on the 1 hour time frame. You can name it. Go ahead and name it. Cheeky. For example, EU, R, US, B times frame, Howard. We take what we copied and paste it. What we copied? This is what we need to change. There's nothing here because it's a code that will be implemented directly. Click. On notification, don't forget to put it here. Webhook, get the webhook from here and then close it. We go to the step that precedes the webhook right here. It's the training wheel web proxy. Click copy, we come here and then we can paste it right away. Once pasted, click create. After creating it, it will appear on the screen. We click on the clock icon, there will be an alert and a log. Go to the alert and you'll see that the alert has come up, indicating that we've set the strategy here. This step is now complete for the trading wheel. We will now go to MT4, reaching MT4. We open the section of tree to insert the EA first. You will open the data folder, go to the MQL4 folder, data, then the experts folder. Then we place the EA that we just downloaded there. Okay. After placing it, you can close it. Right click once on Expert Advisor and press refresh. Our EA will appear here. Go to the True page, press Options and select the Expert Advisor tab. Check the area for Allow Automated Trading and Allow Web Request. Click the plus sign once. For new users, there will be nothing added yet. We click the plus sign once. After clicking the plus, we go back to our web page and copy the URL from here. Server, click copy. Of course, when you click paste, it's this one. Once you finish pasting, click OK. This step is to create a connection between TradingView and MetaTrader 4. This is the step to add the EA. Select your USD, right-click and click Chart Window. The chart window will appear. You can do anything here. It doesn't matter because we are receiving data from TradingView, not related to MT4 anymore. We select the Exchange API. The installation process in the Exchange API involves entering the following values. License ID, user. Return to this page and copy the license ID. Then we paste the license ID in the link key. The link key is the lower link key that we used for the demo. Click to copy the link key. Bring the cream to add. Duration. This is the duration for the EA that we input to pull data from TradingView every few seconds. You might enter 123. If we input a number that's too fast, like pulling every 1 second, our server will work very hard to fetch the data. It's recommended to set it to about 3 seconds, which is optimal. Later, 3 seconds plus 5 seconds. And this step is very important, which is these fields. These are the fields we need to fill in, specifically what the signal buy is in the comment. Let's go back to look at the comment section. For buy, we use the term MACD-LE, and we input the value. For buy, the term MACD-LE must be entered exactly the same. For sell, use the term MACD-SE. The case sensitivity must be consistent. No mistakes allowed. Otherwise, the order won't be executed. This step is called symbol mapping. Check again, LE and SE are okay. Okay. For buy sell, okay. For buy exit, we will close when there is the word SP. The sell will close when there is the word buy. See? Delhi, this is indeed how it is. We allow auto trading with the desired lot size. You can set how many lots to enter, because the signal comes from TradingView to MetaTrader 4. The number of lots to exit is up to you. There's no need for a stop loss, because we receive signals from TradingView. For the spread, for example, if an order is sent and the spread is narrow, you can access as much as possible and input it here. Then there's the magic number. The magic number is the unique identifier for the EA. This allows the EA to recognize its own orders and not close the orders of another EA in case we have multiple symbols open. And for trading, you will see that our approach involves alternating between buy and sell orders without overlapping orders. This means there are no multiple buys or sells at the same time, and we use the term one-directional, meaning we hold one side consistently and alternate sides. This is an order method without having multiple orders on the same side. We also specify how much difference there should be. For example, if an order is sent from TradingView with a certain value, but MT4 runs, and how much difference is allowed. We might allow an order to be placed with a difference of about 1%. Then, is there a multiple order closure? For instance, if there are multiple bills, and if this is set to true, there is a chance for multiple buy orders to occur, which would result in a leak closure. But if we don't have that, we select floor. Once this step is completed, click OK. After clicking OK, the system will display in the top left corner all the comments we have entered to confirm that we have done it correctly. This is the completion of the step, and suppose there are only these comments. However, if the situation becomes more complex, such as there are various types of comments. Let me give an example of last school. There are various types of comments. You will see that there are comments with the words long, short, and SL. Okay, we can use all these three words as well. Suppose we are using this strategy. We change the strategy. We might use this strategy for something else, such as it might be used in gold. Let me open and create a template that I have made for gold, and there will be gold. This is the Lux algo for gold, just as an example of how to map if there are various types of comments. You will see that here, there are many comments. Look at the order list. There is a long shot, a long shot, a long shot, a long shot, a long shot. And then SL. Okay. From what we've reviewed, there will be the term enter long, and then close long with either long TP or long SL, meaning either take profit or stop loss. As for short, there will be short TP or short SL. We remember these values. We return to the same steps. If we want to link another one, let me give an example. Generate a new key link. As a demo, XAUUSD. press the vampire paste, use the same comment, press copy to create the same way, which is to press the 3 dots at the back. Once pressed, stop adding and delete everything in here, then paste ours and name it. You might name it as SAUSD. Okay, notification. Don't forget to add the wavhook, then press create. After pressing create, a new alert should appear here for XIWUSD. The step of deducing U is done, and the challenging part will be the step involving MetaTrader 4. Note, MetaTrader flow. Suppose we just used EU, and now we want to trade another symbol, which is derived from a different strategy regarding XIWUSD. Press the chat window. After pressing chat window, select PineXchange. As before, license ID. I will have a. Select the license ID. Choose the link key that was newly created. Copy this link key and click on the link key here. This will pull every 3 seconds. As before, if the user is using a very large time frame, such as a 1 hour or 4 hour frame, it might not be necessary to pull every 3 seconds because the candlestick will close in 4 hours. You might change it to pull every 60 seconds or 1 minute, depending on the strategy. The higher the value we set, the less workload on the server. We then input the Anibe. This is the most important step, which is mapping. We will see that in the new strategy we are using, there are terms like long TP and short TP. Therefore, we need to input values for them. Signal string for buy continues when there is the word long. Signal string for short continues when there is the word short. Buy will exit when there is the word long TP or law with a space. Wait for a space, HL. Short will exit when there is the word short TP or when there is the word short SL. If there are more exit terms, such as having 2 TPs, it could be TP1 and exit with TP2 as well, depending on the EA or depending on the trading view that is sent over. But in this case, there is only one long, so it's just TP1. There's no need to add more. I have created 3 exit methods for one signal, allowing multiple exit strategies. We can adjust the mapping here. As for the steps below, do the same as before. Select true lot size, stop loss, and EP are not needed because they are sent over from the trading view. Spread, okay. Don't forget to change the magic number. This might use 6. Play 1 page at a time, but as before, this is selected as default because there is no duplicate page output. The challenge will be in this mapping, which if the user maps incorrectly, what will happen? If the mapping is incorrect, TradingView will send a signal, and a signal will appear on our home page here. On page 6, you will see that it sends a signal. Once the signal is sent, you will see the word execute. Execute means that the EA has pulled the values from this table. However, the EA cannot place orders because the signal does not match. It will show up in the top left corner indicating there is a problem. It won't be a message like this. It will be a message indicating there is an issue during retrieval. You can also check the Expert tab. This Expert tab will show all the steps of the EA's operation. Every 3 seconds, every 3 seconds, every 3 seconds. What happens every 3 seconds? It will tell you. Every 3 seconds it says it hasn't found any new orders. It involves mapping everything completely. After that, we need to keep the window open. For example, if we want to use another one, we keep opening more symbols, continuously creating new link keys. We then put the Exchange API into each of our symbols. Once we have finished setting it up, we must pause it and absolutely must not close it. Then we can run MT4 or MT5 on the server where we rent a VPS. This allows us to pause without having to shut down our computer. using it 24 hours a day. Yo, goodbye.